Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. And today it's the Brembo install for the Focus ST. So right now we're gonna go get an airline to fix my compressor to my tank, and then we're gonna go pick up the Brembos, and you guys will see the color reveal later on. So deuces.
You want the pops, bro? I'm tired, bro.
Same.
No pops on ethanol, bro.
Man,
It's all verbals.
it's too early for this. It's like what?
The pops are too early, bro.
It's like 7 a.m.
Too early, bro. The pops. Ample burrito, please.
Okay. So the chicken. Did you want the meal or just the burrito?
Can I get a meal, please?
Meal, you got it. Burrito. And for your drink, what would you like?
Can I get a Dr. Pepper, please?
Chick-fil-A
Okay,
vibe.
what else can I get for you?
I just got the Chick-fil-A, and what did she not say, Sean?
Dude, the strangest thing ever, bro. She's like, all right, here you go. And I was like, thank you. And then she's like, have a good day. And then I was like, and then I pulled away. And then I was like, she didn't say my pleasure, bro.
That's fucked up.
Chick-fil-A sleeping,
Come on,
bro.
Chick-fil-A. I thought you guys
Slacking.
thought they're about it. I guess they're not. This is so fire. I don't know why I never had it. You go to Chick-fil-A. Always gotta get this in the morning. How is it? It's gas, bro. It's gas. It's so gas. Right, just got back. Went to Royal Brass, picked this up, put it there so I can drive my car. We also picked up the Brams. Show you those later. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're at Sean's now. We're gonna start on the Brembos. We're actually gonna replace my end links as well. And I just picked up the calipers, so you guys will see that right now. Let's get started, baby. Off. And for these, it's usually a direct bolt on. So there's 2 bolts in the back. They're gonna get replaced. Gotta start by taking this off. Might have to wait it off because they're hot still. So that's pretty much it. Just gotta set the pads to the new brakes, calipers, and remove the lines, change those, and it's honestly plug and play. Everything's right there and we're all set for it. Here's the brakes. Had to go with white. It's actually white with some kind of like gray finish on top and some sparkle with the red Brembo logo. So it really doesn't do justice unless you see them in person, because you can't see the sparkle. Let me go more over here. There you go. You can kind of see it on camera, but not really. It's more like an in-person thing. There you go, a little bit of it. But like, oh my god, they look so good. They look too good. Oh, I love them. They're gonna look so good on the car. Can't wait till we're done. Drilled. No, not drilled, slotted. Slotted rotors. Hot performance street pads, sparkling pads. Should be pretty good. The brackets. More tool. Stop tech. Braided lines. Maps its speed and links. Might as well. I'm gonna polish my wheels right now just cause. Ooh, they're dirty. Polish the wheels cause, well, they're off, so might as well do it. I'm using Mother's matte and aluminum polish, so that's how they look like now, and I'll show you the results after. Probably won't be too much of a difference. We'll see. They ended up sending us the wrong lines, specifically ordered for an RS, but these are for an ST. So we had to go to Royal Brass and get some custom lines, and ended up being more money, which is so annoying, but that's so annoying. And Ford did not have any in stock, so doing the most. Sean's out here putting in some work. See those 2 bolts in the back? You already put the pads on?
No, the pad's going after.
Pads going after, and then that's pretty much it. Connect the new brake hose.
And we're gonna bleed.
Oh, we gotta bleed the brakes. How about that? So that's all this shit. That's what we're using. Mold tool.
Damn, bro, you sound so depressed.
I am depressed. So now I gotta bleed the brakes, and got it hooked up there. John's hooking it up down there, and that should be it. Almost. Repeat the process on the other side. Now it's draining the brake fluid. It's super dirty. Once it's out, we'll shut it. That's gross.
Damn, bro, your brake fluid's black. That shit's supposed to be piss.
No,
Right, that's clean.
Guys, welcome back. Brakes are done. Just did a test drive. They felt pretty good. Still need to brake in a little bit. We brake super hard right now. They're smoking. So
Yes,
I
sir.
guess just gotta wait a little bit, and I'll show you how they look.
Huh?
So that's how they look. They look better than I thought they're gonna come out, because they're super white, and I thought the wheel was gonna like blend it in, but no, it actually came out
It
really
doesn't
good.
show out a lot, but I mean, it's still enough.
You still see it, like it's still visible.
The red makes it visible. If it wasn't, you wouldn't notice it.
It's cool. I love it.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have done this without Sean's help. Love you.
Shit.
Been trying to do that for a while now. I didn't even need new brakes, which I thought I did, but they're still brand new, which is a plus, I guess. I hope these pads last as long as the OEM ones did. My car's clapped, Sean.
Yes, sir.
Needs a wash. Sean might do a little photo shoot later if his gimbal comes in, little video. So I'll see if I can drop that in the vlog. You guys will see that if Sean wants to send it, or he'll post it up on his channel.
Yeah,
what's your
probably.
channel? Sean Davis?
It's just Sean Davis.
Sean
bro.
Davis. Watch his vlogs. But we're gonna watch this later because it's disgusting. Haven't watched it in like 3 weeks. Honestly, probably a month. But yeah, we're just gonna clean up a bit and get ready for later.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Brake job got done, so Sean and I decided to take a break, and we both showered, went home, and rested for a couple hours. Now he's actually going to be recording a video of me washing my car, I think, and that's going to be sick. I'll drop it in the video, and obviously I'll tag Sean, and you guys will see that. It'll be pretty dope. You'll see the brakes on as well.
Memphis, man.
Alright guys, welcome back. I'm here with Brendan. I'm actually at a meet. After we finished the brake install, or the car wash, I mean, we're supposed to take photos, but I had an emergency, so that's what happened. Now we're at a car meet. What's up, bro?
What's up, baby?
Alright, we're at a meet. I'm next to Justin's car. And it's getting crazy. Keep the good stuff. That's so not good. Been getting compliments. There's some dude two-stepping over there. SJ meets get down. Look at this 86 right here. So cool. Initial D. Fast cars, show cars, everything's here. Got the boys right there. Say hi to the vlog.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Yo, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe for my motor. I have a sick GTI Instagram, blown
Follow him,
sick
famous,
GTI.
famous guy right there.
Who's blown, guys?
R.I.P. bro. Right, here with the boys again. Part 2 of this meet. There's honestly so many cars to record. We're about to go meet up our boy Nick in his Lamborghini. He actually came out for once. That color's cool.
Cute and you vlog? Hey, hold on, you're cute and you vlog?
Oh, yeah, bro. Best mix ever. Bro, oh, I thought that car over there was in the park next to me. Nice. Ooh, they're doing some side work. Alright, looks like Damien just pulled up. Parked next to the boys. We got Justin, them too. Me in the back ST, Damien in the black SI. Fucking minivan, bro. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up, Jose?
Hi, vlog. Dude, we just did a photo shoot over there, blocking the intersection.
With who?
With Paul. It was hella funny, dude. Everyone was looking.
Is Sean here?
Yeah, they're over there. Like, literally right there. Yeah, this meet's getting dry. Oh, I got here late, so I don't know actually what's going on. Oh, it's Ted's boy Kyle. That car is so nice. That's it. Got Nick here, other friends. Look at this dude. What's up, dude? Ted's vlog.
What's up, guys? Subscribe to Nick's Bankrupt.
I'm already subscribed.
Start adding those.
Subscribe to me. Nick here. Just typical Lamborghini. You see these every day. Nothing crazy. Alright, I'm gonna help Nick vlog real quick. Just gonna do a drive around a lot. Just so people can see his car. No one wants to see this car. I'm gonna help him out either way, because that's what us vloggers do, right? So I'll get back to you guys. Alright, look. Just replaced myself with Michelle. Michelle's gonna do it. I don't wanna do it. Hopefully Nick revs over there, because I'm trying to record that. His exhaust is so loud. Right, Brendan?
Jeez, dude.
It's
What?
too loud. Is it loud?
What?
It's so loud.
How loud?
Hey, Hector! Hector! I can hear you, bro. Hey, put your fucking... Oh, shit. Put your face on the side. Shut up! Oh, shit. Yeah. Alright, here comes Nick. Damien's a little sad because Michelle's in the car. Don't cry, bro. It's alright. It's just a little ride. Yeah. Hopefully you can rev it real quick. Hey, Nick, rev it up! Huh? Yeah. Oh, no. They're not here. Damn, he's breaking everyone's neck, bro. Fucking Lambo. Michelle's over there. No one knows that. I'm dead. Yo, I think they're talking to someone. Is someone talking to Nick or is someone flirting with Michelle? Oh shit, he's pissed. He's pissed. Hey, don't be mad, bro. Go get her, bro. Oh my god. I think that's a cop. Nick's been revving. Are you scared, Michelle? Oh,
Nah,
oh my foot! Michelle! What's up, dude? Really?
Yeah, motors out of it right now.
What's up, Small Dick King?
Yeah.
What's up, Jeezy?
He got the right.
Hello, Jeezy.
He knows. He knows.
Bro, I know they sent you that letter. I don't know who it was. They sent him a small dick letter, and that's true. It was you?
Yeah, he's not.
He knew me. He started shit. Alright, Brendan parked next to me. Honestly, since our cars are dark blue, they kind of look good together, but not really, because that's not BMW. And BMWs are more respectable than STs would ever be. But that color combo is nice. I'm not gonna lie.
What's up, Daddy? Got the car.
Play some music. I'm dead. Oh, Nick, are you back, bro?
I'm back.
This dude just aired out, bro. But look at that fat gap. Come on, man.
I can't afford that, dude. It's too expensive. Are you serious?
Each rev is $20.
All right, so this meat's dying down. Brembo install was a success. We didn't get to do pictures, but you'll see that video. I'll put it down and link Sean to it. So if you haven't yet, please like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.